Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Quack leg, take it. Take it, take it. Quack leg, quack press, quack press. Hey, jungle, jungle, even in quack. There you go, Jacob. Good job, Jacob.
Hey, if I'm blitzing you off the edge, running back swings, you guys have to pick it up. Do you understand that?
That was Tyler's guy. So you going to switch. You got to make sure you stay good.
Make our athletes beat our athletes. If I'm sending you, go make the damn play. Do you understand that? Or we diving at ankles.
Oh, yeah, no. Grab it, Jacob, Jacob, grab it, Jacob, grab it. Quack press, quack press. Bulldogs on left, bulldogs on left. He running for his life back there. He running for his life.
If he comes through the hole in the middle, the inside back has to pick him up slow play. He has green coming out. Green comes out, that's a good shot. You got it?
42.
Listen to him on the call. All we're gonna do is go straight H. You understand that?
Hey, know what they gotta get? When you got motions, you go across with them. Hey, they're gonna be doing that hard count all night. Did he call?
I called it early.
I was late. Noah's getting ate up by the double team.
I know he's getting ate up by the double team.
Whoa, who's this?
Hey,
Just make sure Jacob is outside the tackle. Get his ass on. Don't get too close to you, move him out.
All right. Bulldog strong right. Bulldog strong right. Hey, swarm, chin strong. Chin strong. Chin strong, stand fire. Grab it. Quack left, quack left. Get him, let's get him. Oh, get him. Get him, get him. Hey, when they motion like that, we're just gonna bump, all right? So then I'll go to Will, and then Jacob touches him, and you're and Mike. I look back, there's nothing, and I see the quarterback roll out, and the next thing the ball's in there.
Stand inside the box.
What? Oh.
Hey, are you mic'd up right now?
Yeah. Quack, Jay. Quack press. I seen Zach eat up a double team, bro, in front of my eyes. I witnessed it.
But come on, flex. They motion on the twins and have them bump down inside with a little bacon.
Just like we did?
Hold on, just like that. That's going to be Chris's job.
Oh, never mind.
He's going to play backside, you understand that? If they motion him out, then you got to go with him on third.
Oh, no.
There he goes right there. No, he's
The
open
three.
now.
Oh, he's not. Take off.
Got him.
Jay Durr. He's good.
Ready, go, Daddy!
That's what he did to Clemson Hawks. There you go. Hey, Paul, I want to be just like you.
Mike Miller, maybe. Mike Miller.
Good snap, bro. That was a bukkake.
So if they attack to the twin side and they multiply it by X, what is Y equal?
Stay in school, guys. Stay in school.
Bro, you got PPR all over you, bro.
Yep. Good job, baby. Good job, Chip. Hey, Chip, good job, bro. There you go, Keeney, right here. Good job, baby.